날씨가 너무 좋아서 더워가지고 깼습니다. 여기는 아침에 해가 너무 잘 들어가지고 너무 더워요. 여름이나 봄에는 가을까지 진짜 7시, 8시에 더워서 깨는 것 같아. 지금 방이 이 꼴인데 오늘 고모랑 할머니가 오시기 때문에 좀 정리를 해야 될 것 같아요. 짠! 대충 다 치웠고요. 먼지 턴을 해먹었습니다. 대충 이 정도 치우고 이 정도면 뭐 살만하니까 완전 대청소는 다음에 하는 걸로. I'm gonna go to Bible study later, around like 6:30-ish. So right now it's a bit early to get ready, but I'm just gonna get ready now because I just got out of the shower. And then I'm gonna study for my exams. Honestly, it's just an excuse to not study at this point. I'm not gonna really do makeup. I'm just gonna do like a natural look with just sunscreen and like concealer. So I use this sunscreen. It's from Fusion C. It's a toner sunscreen, so it should make my face look brighter. My hair's in the way, so let me just boop. Do you see the tone difference? It's like dark here and then so much brighter where I put the sunscreen on. Some on my neck. Okay, now I'm gonna put this concealer on. It's from Tosem. I use color 1.25, but I feel like it's a little bright on me. So next time I buy this, after I finish this bottle, I think I'm gonna get something a little darker. I have bangs, so I'm gonna cover my forehead with my bangs anyway, so I'm not gonna put that much on my forehead. This is a little like 5-minute makeup. This is what I would usually do when I have school, and when I have like class at campus, I would just do this 5-minute makeup because I'm lazy. Sometimes I don't even do makeup, it's just sunscreen and then I just go. I have a lot of dark circles, like look at this, my concealer cannot even cover all of it. It's okay. It's not a full makeup, so I'm just gonna put the remainder on my neck. Actually, it looks pretty good. I'm just gonna quickly draw myself some nose. I'm gonna wear glasses, so I don't even have contacts right now. I can barely see my face. I'm not even sure how I look. I'm just guessing. And eyebrows, I just like to use the shading color that I use for eyebrows. Just makes it more natural, I guess. Ta-da! And then I'm just gonna use one type of blush color to use for my eyes and my cheeks to reduce time, I guess. Today I'm gonna use shade 17. It's called rosy brown in English. In Korean it's called 인간 가해, which is definitely me. On my cheek. Honestly, there's not much like a technique when I'm doing like my 5-minute makeup. It's just whatever you grab first and try to do it as quickly as possible. Okay, so I'm done. So what I'm gonna do is just like grab a little, and then just brush on your eyes like this, lightly. Same thing with the other side. Let me put some on my nose. I don't know, I feel like putting some blush on your nose makes it a little cuter. I think it looks pretty cute right now. So I'm gonna start with the blush. I use this Aegyosai maker. It's like a liner type. And then what I do is just lightly, very lightly, draw it on my eyes, Aegyosai, and then rub it with my pinky, like this. And then with the other side, this is the shading color. So right under where you want your Aegyosai shade to be, just draw slightly. And you also rub it with your finger. Honestly, the dark circles are annoying me right now. It's not as bad in real life compared to what you guys see on the screen. I don't know why it looks so dark on the screen. I guess let me just quickly make my eyebrows a little more clear. Just the end. Because my eyebrows are really short, I would say. Just gonna make them a little more defined. I think that's it. That's literally it. It would actually be 5 minutes if I did this without talking. This is my setting spray. It's probably gonna be really hot outside today, so I'm just gonna put some setting spray. I'm almost out of it, like you can barely hear it. It went on my nose. Yeah, I barely have it. Okay, I think that's okay. Let me just dab it in. I finally finished this bottle. I feel like I had this for over a year, maybe. It's like I have a new one. I have a new one in my closet, so I think I'm just gonna throw this away today. I'm gonna style my hair, dry my hair, and then come back. Also, I'm gonna do my lips later because I don't like doing my lips like hours before leaving. So I'll do that right before I leave. I look very sick right now without my lips done. So it is currently 20 degrees outside today, and I want to wear like actual like summer clothes today. So I was like thinking about wearing shorts, but I did not have shorts with this exact length that I really wanted. So what I'm gonna do is I have this pair of pants, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it. So this I have not planned before. I just thought about it just now. It's okay because I didn't like how it fit at the bottom. It wasn't like skinny or wide. It was just like a really awkward width. So I think I'm just gonna cut it today. I like the waist. It fits me really perfectly. So I think it's gonna be cute as a short. I guess at least this much, right? And cut them. Pretty cute, right? I feel like it might be a little longer than I wanted, but I could just cut it more if I don't like it. So let's try it on. So this is how it looks like. I don't know, should I cut it more? You know what, how about I keep the length and I cut the side like this, like a little slit. I think that'd be cute. So I cut them. What do you think? I think it turned out pretty cute. I think it'd be really cute with like these pants and then like long boots that I have. I think it'd be really cute. 드디어 공부를 합니다. 지금 몇 시야? 거의 4시거든요. 공부를 하기 싫은 걸 어떡해. I'm gonna put on this necklace. This is actually 17 merch Dino pendant. It's pretty cute as daily necklace. And I'm going to straighten my hair a little bit. It's too fuzzy right now. I'm like sweating right now. I'm sweating my arm. So here's the outfit. Shorts that I cut today. Some basic gray shirt. Bag. I'm gonna wear Doc Martens with this outfit. It was so sunny this morning. Honestly, the entire day until I came out. Look how gloomy it is now. So sad.
Before we go,
Chicken time.
just text my hoes. Who's that to? Thomas?
No, it's for my YouTube.
Oh, I don't have hoes. I don't call women hoes. Even though it's not March, it's not Women's History Month anymore, I'm still with you guys, girls. Don't let them in, don't let them see me, the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. But now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. I don't know after that. I have ear wax in there.
Oh, I can see it.
Can you actually?
Yeah.
My mommy has to dig that shit up for me.
Your mommy?
Yeah.
고모가 사주는 치킨.
할머니가 샀어.
할머니가 사주는 치킨. 감사합니다.
너네 내일 학교 가.
많이 들잖아.
니네께 더 저기 하지.
짜장면에 완두콩이 없어.
그래 그게. 근데 저쪽 경상도 그쪽 그래도 맛없어도 소주가 많아.